Yeah, it's one of my train buds. Storm 2010. And it's not even the worst of it, actually. The worst of it is coming in a few hours. Already got like 4 inches of snow, and it's like good packing snow. I mean, you put the snowball, it's like hard as a rock. So it's very hard to shovel. As many of you guys know, whoever's like, Pennsylvania, Washington, D.C., all that stuff, you guys got a shitload of snow coming your way. You probably already have, and you already had a few feet already, so good luck for you guys. This is Staten Island, New York, and this is what it looks like right now until the beginnings of the storm. Yeah, we just started shoveling. It'll be less for later. My car is just completely submerged between the sanitation and everybody else plowing my street. It looks like New York City, huh? There's Padre. In the distance, we can hear the train horns, because we have the Staten Island Railroad about a few blocks away from us, and it sounds like diesel horns. So probably they're using the diesels on the line right now, probably either plowing snow or something. Alright, so I'll check back later and we'll do another one. What we'll be looking like in a couple of hours. It's gonna be crazy later. You guys have probably already had it, and we're getting it very, very soon. So I'm gonna take this time to actually work on my layout more, some wiring, more wiring stuff. Started doing the platforms for the station already. So if everybody out there, who's completely snowed in like I am right now, no school. Hopefully today, not tomorrow. Well, today's not school. Hopefully tomorrow's no school. They already closed the mall, the only mall. It's not Staten Island, so so hopefully we close again. I can work on my layout, and I'll go to next Tuesday. Woohoo! So all right, take care, guys, and good luck, and be safe. Huh?
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow.